Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact Apple ID email and the last password you remember. This matters for recovery. Next, make sure your device clock and network are correct, and that you have access to trusted devices or phone numbers. Now, open iForget. Apple. Calm or go to Settings, tap your name, then Password and Security. Start the password reset flow. As you proceed, watch prompts for verification codes and follow them. That initial step opens the secure path to change your password. Once done with the initial prompt, you'll be asked to verify your identity. Choose the trusted device, phone number, or recovery key option you can access. Enter the verification code exactly as received. Make sure to type numbers, spaces, or dashes if shown. After identity is confirmed, create a new password. Use at least 8 characters, mix uppercase and lowercase, include numbers and symbols, and avoid reused passwords. Make sure the new password is memorable yet unique. Then submit and let Apple propagate changes. You finish by signing back into all Apple devices and services using the new password. Open settings on each device to update saved logins and iCloud. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled and review trusted phone numbers and devices so future resets are easier. If any device still shows an error, restart it and try signing in again. If you remain blocked, start account recovery. This can take days, or contact Apple support directly for guided help and keep proof of ownership handy.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.